Presenting with Cameo in PowerPoint, Microsoft 365. With Cameo, you can insert your video feed directly into a slide so you can be inside your presentation. To start, select Insert Cameo. A new tab appears along with a placeholder for your camera feed. Select the on-off icon to turn on the video feed. In a shared dock, only you see the video feed. If you have multiple cameras, select Preview to pick one. You can apply the same effects to your camera feed as you would to pictures, including shaping, formatting, layering, and styles. Use the anchors to adjust the placement and sizing. Even cut and paste multiple instances. The possibilities are endless. Use the morph transition to seamlessly move throughout the presentation. And when you're ready, you can present in slideshow mode or present in Teams. Teams automatically switches to Cameo mode, but you can switch to a different presenter mode if needed.
Hello everyone, and thanks for joining our quarterly report today. Over the next 25 minutes,
Thank you for watching us.